recorded a video and it didn't work. So, I'm at right now. Sorry, y'all. This is the tutorial I'm gonna show y'all again because my stupid tablet keep on doing stupid things. Here. That is eyebrow. This is eyes. This is pupils. Mouth. This is the eyebrow. And nose. Anyways, anyways, next, picture ponytail however you want, but I'm gonna put mine's different, and you already know the drill. Please don't copy off my character or you will be immediately banned because I will report you, and I know that's not the right thing to do, but if somebody be copying off your avatar, you're gonna have to report them, so I don't be copying off nobody's avatar because I'm doing this all by myself, and I want to do it all by myself. So I'm gonna do it all by myself. You can copy off the bun, but you cannot copy off my whole avatar because that's gonna be a provoke of violation. So you can't do that. Anyways, that's it. And go on blush and go on blush number. So blush 18, go on. Blush 11, go on blush 11. That's how it's supposed to look. Keep the highlights on. You can do this if you want to, but I'm not doing that because I want mine to be my always. Then press on this, press on head again, and press on hair, and press on here, and go to this one right here that looks straight. Press on this one right here, this one, and put it the skin color that you want it, that it needs to be. And this how it's supposed to be. It goes through the eyebrows, so you technically got an eyebrow with some edges. And I'm sorry, y'all. Anyways, just grab a star and put it like really light, like really to the point where you can't even see it, like this color, and put it over here. It might be funny, like that, but if you put it like over here, goes to the eyelid, it will look really cute. This is how it's supposed to look. And then grab on here. Hold on, let's see. Okay, yeah, and then grab on here and press on, and go to page 8 and press on piercing. This piercing. Anyways, put it any color you want to, but for me, I'm gonna put it this. Anyways, this and this how it's supposed to be. This how it's supposed to look. Y'all can do it any color y'all want to, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like I want to do it. This how it's supposed to look. You can do any one you want. You can even do the shirt. Put it like this, but any one you want to. This how it's supposed to look. This how it's supposed to look. I'm putting any way you want to put it. Like this. or like whatever. That's how I want to put mine. So yeah. Oh. That's how it's supposed to look. I was focused on something, but don't worry about me. Put in anyone you want to. I put mine with high heels. Oh, I don't want to do that. Anyways, don't worry about my brother. He gets on my nerves. Anyways, this is how you make your avatar. So that's how you make your avatar. I hope this tutorial saved y'all on how to make y'all avatar. So I'm gonna make my shirt a little bit. Anyways, so